Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be talking about Kemei portable clipper. So I've been going to talk about everything about the clipper. So it's a very small clipper, so I bought it online from a Temu. So from the first impression, it's a very small clipper. It comes in black and white color. It feels very durable. It feels very small. It comes with a holder, so it's a very fantastic clipper. So now let's talk about the unboxing, what comes inside from the unboxing. So this is going to be a very short video from this particular product. So from the unboxing, you are going to see the wire, you're going to see the wire, you are going to see the brush that you will use to. The purpose of this brush is to clean this particular place. You will use it to brush this particular place. Can you see? So it comes with a nice cable, a type A to type C cable, as you can see from the video. It comes the 1, 2, 3, 4 hair adjuster. You can adjust it to shave your hair, whether you need a afro or any type of hairstyle. Once it's full, it's going to take you around maybe a month or more to dye. So as you can see from the here, this is on and off button, on and off button. Can you see? So this is the gear. It comes with 4 levels. Can you see from the video? It comes with 4 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the Kemei. So this is the blade that caused the hair. So as you can see from the video, let me show you an example. If you can see, one, it goes up small. Can you see? If you bring it down, it's going to come down. Can you see? So it's a very nice clipper. It's a very tiny clipper. Even my hand can cover it. It comes with a type C, a type A to type C. You can charge it. As I said earlier, it takes like a few hours to charge from down to full. It's a very minimal it's a very minimal clipper. It's very good, and it works very well. So I've been using it for quite a while now. So I've been using it around maybe months. I've been using like close to 5 months now. So I do barb maybe once a week or twice or maybe once in 2 weeks. I don't have exactly time I use it to barb. As I said earlier, it takes around 2 hours to charge. It shows a very nice light indicator that you are charging it. I'm going to show you that particular one later. Let's talk about the battery. Battery is around 900 milliamp power bank. As you can see from the battery, it's 900 milliamp power battery. So as you can see from this picture, it takes around 2 hours to charge, which is a DC and a rechargeable hair clipper full. So from my own experience, it takes more than 2 hours to charge. That's what I'm saying earlier. So once you are done charging it, it's going to maybe take around 2 months or more to die. That is what I'm saying earlier. It's a very nice clipper. As you can see from the back, it's made in China. Can you see the model, the input rated there? So what enters inside is around 3 watts. So I'm going to show you by charging it. Hold. So you can plug it inside. Let me show you. See, once you plug it, it do support type A to type C, and type C to type C, which is PD charging. It takes around 2 hours, 150 minutes to charge from from 0 to full. Once you charge, it takes around, depending on your maybe cutting or shaving level, it takes around 1 month or 2 months to die. It's a very portable, which you can carry anywhere. You can carry it to travel, you can carry it inside your pocket, you can carry it anywhere. You can use it to shave anything you want. It's very sharp. So I don't want to shave all my hair, but it's a very sharp clipper. So I've been using it for quite a while now, as you can see from the scratches and everything. So can you see? So it's Kemei Electronics Appliances. So this is the address. So if you like the product, I will link everything in the comment in the description box below, so you can buy the product. If you like my review, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to do more review on a budget tech product. As for the price is around 10 to 15,000 naira, depends on the your currency. Then in dollars it's around maybe $12. Okay, thank you very much. See you.